Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. But even without a universal kill switch, you can still curtail some of the peskier components, including those you may not have even known were turned on by default. One such feature, called comment summaries, does just what it sounds like: creates AI-generated blurbs that summarize the comments section on posts. Attempting to form a concise blurb about commenters' overall feelings and statements on the parent post contents. It also mentions that the Meta AI comment summaries are toggled on by default, prompting privacy concerns from users who do not want what they write online fed into the Meta AI system for machine learning and generation. To turn off Meta AI comment, open Facebook and look for the Accounts section. It appears as a circle in the upper right-hand corner with your profile picture. Clicking the circle triggers a drop-down menu to appear. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. On the sidebar under Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Then, select the Post tab under Audience and Visibility Settings. A setting titled Show Comment Summaries on Post will appear with the button automatically toggled to On. Click the button to toggle the settings off. And that's all. While turning this off may not prevent your content from being used to train Meta AI, it will stop the summaries, which are prone to inaccuracies, from appearing on your feed. Of course, if you want to opt out completely, your best option is to stop using Meta platforms. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.